Storm Tracker 9 weather with Chief Meteorologist Justin Stapleton.
Visual satellite behind me there continuing to show some cumulus cloud cover, but that is about all we've got out there. We've got a few light showers. Those will eventually start to wind down as we head in towards the overnight hours and hopefully getting into a sunnier forecast as we head towards your weekend. Right now, let's take a peek outside. We've got some cloud cover offshore, but you see the direction of where those clouds are going. See, they're all just kind of going up and then they kind of curl back around down. Well, that's because that's where the ridge is starting to slowly push all of this northwest flow that's been over top of us for about 3 days now, which has kept us quite cool, by the way, below 50 degrees both today and yesterday. It's starting to push that out of the way. A drier air mass, too, even though it is coming in off the ocean. It's a ridge, and that pushes down or compresses the air, which does dry it out some. And we'll start to get the winds shifting offshore in the next 24 hours, and that's what will really start to bring more sunshine back to our forecast. So right now, still looking at a few light scattered showers out there. Most of those have been hanging up in the central and northern Cascades, up around Portland as well. They saw their coldest temperature today since about 1994. 46 degrees was their high. Very chilly for this time of year. 46 is the current temperature in Roseburg right now. Same thing. North Bend checking in at that. We're a pair of 44s here in Eugene and Florence. 43 in Corvallis and 33 as you get out on towards Bend and Redmond. So, as I mentioned, 2 days in a row where we have not seen the temperature get above 50. 49 right now. Started off chilly, just a degree above freezing this morning. Both of those well below average, as you can see. And we only picked up about a trace of rain. Most of the rain and most of the scattered showers out there have been to the north of us. Now, as we go tonight, we'll start to see that high build in. That should shut the winds down for the most part. That'll get back to light winds. We'll start to slowly clear out some of the clouds. And I do expect the fog to fill into the valley here. We got a lot of moisture stuck on the ground, and so it won't take much to get down to the dew point, which is hanging in the low 30s right now, and that is a recipe for some patchy, slick, freezing fog early tomorrow. So the next 24 hours, the northwest flow that's been stuck on top of us starts to push back north in response to this ridge building in. You can see the clouds going up and over top of that, why we call it a ridge or a bridge, because they have to curl over it. So as that slides a little further north, that should eventually start to bring some warmer air with it and get the winds more northeasterly just above the surface. That's what will slowly start to dry everything out. So now we've got a little disturbance that's going to try to ride over top of that. It should fall apart for the most part. I don't think we'll see anything, possibly maybe a quick drizzle or passing shower along the north coast as we go in towards early Sunday. But for the most part, I think we're looking at a drier and certainly sunnier forecast. So foggy start tomorrow, nice sunny finish, some freezing fog overnight tonight. Good looking Sunday overall, but it won't last though. We've got a couple other systems that'll bring back some more of that unsettled, kind of showery at times weather as we head into next week. So we'll go low 50s tomorrow at the coast. Then a quick bump, you can see as that ridge gets closer, we start to bring in the warmer air. We're getting into late March, and so it doesn't take much to warm things up right now, but there is more showers in the forecast by next Wednesday and Thursday. In the Umpqua Basin, some fog in the morning. We'll get back to sunny skies in the afternoon in mid-50s, jump back into the 60s quickly by Sunday and Monday. And we'll actually hold on a milder forecast even though the rain returns. Mostly sunny skies in the Cascades, freezing levels in the foothills for now. They'll be back up above the passes by this weekend. In Bend and Redmond, mostly sunny skies and low 40s tomorrow, back to the mid to upper 50s by Sunday and Monday, and a few chances for some thunderstorms in the mountains next week. And finally, here in the valley, we'll see a mostly sunny afternoon after we get the fog to clear out. Same thing Sunday and Monday, and that 61, guys, since we've been hanging in the 40s most of the last couple of days, it's going to feel like summertime, you know?
Love it.
As you were saying, flip-flop weather at that point.
Oh, shorts only.
Oh, I like that. No pants weekend. There you go.
Thanks, Justin.
Well done.